Hey guys, I'm the cook's assistant and today we're making the kebab from RuneScape. To kick off this surprisingly simple recipe, we're going to add some salt and pepper to some lamb mince, followed by some oregano, cayenne pepper, fresh mint, which we've finely chopped, onion powder, fresh garlic, again finely chopped, and some rosemary. Then we're going to gently mix this by hand. I'm wearing gloves for this, which are completely optional. I just find that more of the herbs end up on my hands than in the meat if I don't. Once our not so secret blend of herbs and spices are fully incorporated throughout our mince, we're going to want to shape it so that it cooks evenly. This will also make it easier to cut later. I do this by flattening the mince first before knocking one of the edges straight, then turning the mince 90 degrees. I repeat the process until I have a meat loaf. We're then going to place our loaf of meaty goodness on a foil-lined oven tray before lovingly tucking it in for bed. If the bed were an oven, of course, as that's where it's going to be spending the next 3 hours at a low heat. During which time we're going to prepare the lettuce and tomatoes that are going to accompany our kebab meat later. If I can ever get this lettuce leaf off. Right, I tell you what, let's chop it up instead. That's better. We're only going to need a little bit of tomato per kebab, so having carefully removed the core, we're going to cut a couple of slices off before transferring our lettuce and tomato to the fridge for later. RuneScape food or not, no kebab is complete without a sauce, so we're going to make a quick one up using some mayonnaise, to which we're going to add a small squeeze of lemon juice, followed by a small amount of oregano and some sumac. Then we're going to give this a quick mix with a fork until our sauce is a consistent texture and colour, before off to the fridge it goes. After a hungry couple of hours, it's time to remove our kebab meat from the oven, where we're going to leave it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's sufficiently rested, we're going to carefully unwrap it, being careful not to burn ourselves on the steam, and then using a sharp knife, we're going to slice the meat as thinly as we physically can. I find that the thinner that you can get this, the closer to a kebab shop kebab it will taste. This is how thick my slices ended up, just to give you a rough idea. Now I hope you guys are hungry because it's time to assemble our kebab. To a pita bread of your choosing, spread a little bit of our sauce so that all of the inside is coated evenly. Then we're going to add a couple of the slices of our tomato that we cut earlier, followed by some lettuce. Maybe not that much though, as we still need enough room to add a generous portion of our kebab meat. And there we have the finished article. The only thing that's missing now is a drunken dwarf and the sauce. I forgot the chili sauce.
Where's the lamb sauce?
Oof, that was a close one. You guys would never let me live that down. And there we have it, the kebab from RuneScape. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Admittedly, I could have gone a bit thinner with the meat, but it tasted great anyway. Which reminds me, I better take a bite of this. Yeah, good enough that I might just finish this off when you're gone actually. We hit 500 subscribers this week, which I'm still struggling to believe, as that's absolutely amazing. But I couldn't have done it without you all, so once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.